Hi everyone, welcome back to Module 4, Lesson 4. Alright, so today we're going to learn about sort and filtering. Okay, previously we done all of this in tables. Alright, so you could do sorting and filtering here. Alright, but what if you don't want to create a table and you just want to do sorting or filtering? Okay, so for filtering, alright, you could just select the header. Okay, could just select the header, go to sort and filter and click filter. Therefore, a filter button should appear and you just need to click and select accordingly. So let's say I do not want cucumber, I don't want to see yellow squash, I just want to see tomato and zucchini. So I press OK and there you go. Or the heirloom tomatoes and zucchinis uh, are on screen, whereas the rest of it has been hidden. Okay, it does not filtering. Remember, filtering does not mean the data disappear. It's just a way for you to look at it in a more in a way that you want to see it. All right, so you could clear the filter and you get back your cucumber and yellow squash, etc. Okay, so what about sorting? All right, sorting. So you can see in this case the this table, all the data here has been sorted according to the first column, the crop. All right, so you can see cucumber is A to Z. All right, but what if we want to sort it according to the number of units? We could do so also. So there's one easy way, which is you click the units here. All right, and then you can sort from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So let's try largest to smallest, and then you can see here. All right, so the one with the largest number will be on top, and then you go down continuously. Okay, so this is sorting. All right, there's also another way that you could do so by selecting the whole table. You go to the top here at the in the home tab, the editing group. You could also have the sort A to Z, etc. Okay, but occasionally, let's say for example, if I just select this one, all right, depending on what you want to do, let's say I want to smallest to largest, okay, what it will do is that it will only sort this area, okay, this particular column. So unless you click, you'll make sure that this expand the selection is ticked. So when what happens when you expand the selection is that it will highlight everything. So the whole table will be sorted accordingly. Whereas if you continue the current selection, only this column will be sorted. So depending on what you need to do, okay, you will need to select accordingly. So let's say if I have the expand the selection alone selected and then I click sort, you will notice that everything else will go accordingly. Okay, right. Initially the tomatoes were on top, but now no longer. Okay. Now there's also another way that if you want to do a more in-depth sorting, which is custom sorting. Okay, so let's go use to this range. All right. So over here, all right, we can select the area that we want to sort. Okay, so there's a few ways to do so. Number one, we can go to the home tab again, sort and filter. You have the custom sort here, or you can go to data and sort here also. You will there will be the same thing that will appear. Okay, or alternatively you can right click and then you go to this one and you can select custom sort. If you can't see it, you can just try to right click it, sort, custom sort, so it will appear there. Okay, my screen is not too big enough. Okay, so anyway, and whichever way you choose, we will come to this part. Okay, so what you do here, all right, is that you can sort multiple as in you can create multiple conditions for the sorting. So for example, I want to sort by the, let's say, team first. Okay, I want to see the team. All right, and then let me add a level. So after I sort by the team, I want to sort by their crop value. Okay, let's say from largest to smallest. So if I press OK, so you can see here, team 1 this is all of team 1. Okay, it has been sorted. Team 2, team 3, team 4, team 5. Okay, and then after that, just based on team 1 alone, the arrangement of the team 1 is sorted based on the crop value that they have. So this is how you can sort multiple times. All right, so this way it will make your life much easier, okay, rather than trying to figure out everything. Okay, thank you.